How to open Citi bank account online. So if you want to create an online bank account on Citi Bank, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your browser or with your Google, anything that you're comfortable with, and search for Citi Bank register. And here you will have the online registration account information. So you just need to simply go with the register for online access, tap on it. Go with the upper left, which has that 3-bar option, and here you will have an option of open an account. Tap on it, and here you will have this kind of page. And after that, here you just need to simply select the checkings account or savings account. So I'll just simply choose the checkings account. Tap on open an account, and you can choose access checking or regular checking. So I'll just simply choose access checking and tap on open account, which is on the bottom. Now it will take you to this kind of interface where first you need to enter your personal information. So enter your first name, last name, date of birth, and your social security number or ICIN number. And after that, go with continue, which is on the bottom of your screen. After entering your personal information, it will take you to the next step where you need to enter your address. So you need to enter your apartment, suite, or other things, and your city, state, zip code, email address, and your mobile number. And once you enter that, you'll have more questions which will be on the bottom. Just simply answer the questions, and you need to create a security code. So just create your security code and again go with continue, which will be on the bottom of your screen. And after that, you will have to agree to the terms and conditions, and then you need to fund your account to open it. And after that, your bank account will be opened. It will be created, and then you can open up your online banking. So that's how you can open your Citi bank account online. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.